In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you tips to start growing faster on TikTok. There are so many subtle things that you need to be doing on your account, in your videos, or even just with the editing in your posts. And I wanna share all those things with you in this video so that you guys can start to get more views and start growing faster. Because right now is the biggest opportunity I've ever seen before to grow a following on social media. You guys see Gary Vee talking about it. You guys see Chris Allen talking about it. So many people are talking about this, and I do not want you guys to continue to sit on the sidelines and be uninformed about what you should be doing to start growing faster on TikTok. And if you're not doing everything that I mentioned in this video, I'm not talking one thing or two things, and that's gonna be the reason that you're not growing on TikTok. You guys need to realize little subtle things, like even the color of your text, which I'm gonna get way more into in this video, make a huge difference in whether you get 100 views, 1,000 views, 10,000 views, or even 1,000,000 views. And just so you guys know, the last tip in this video is the most important, so please make sure you stick around for that. You guys won't regret it. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm the CEO of helping people grow on TikTok. My goal, I quit working for Gary Vee because I want to help over 1,000,000 people gain over 100,000 followers on TikTok. I've made great strides doing that, and I cannot wait to help you be the next person that hits 100,000 followers. So please smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions about anything throughout this entire video, please leave a comment below. Make sure you check out all of my other content. I don't know if it's below you or if it's to your left or to your right. Check it out. I have videos about everything, the best time to post, the best hashtags to use, the TikTok algorithm, so many different things that I really think you could benefit from. In addition to that, I need you guys to text me. Get into my community platform. You're gonna get special updates. I give out free recommendations, whole bunch of stuff in there, so please text this phone number right here. All right, so let's get right into it. Tip number one, you guys need to be posting. If you're not over 1,000,000 followers and you haven't started to stagnate your growth, you need to be posting 5 to 6 times a day. Think about it. If you were to post once every single day for a year, that'd be 365 posts. If you were to post 5 to 6 times, that would be somewhere in the realm of like 1,700 to 2,000 posts. You're going to be 5 to 6 times better than the person that posted just once a day. If you're not already seeing successful growth on TikTok, you need to do this. It's gonna help you reach a bigger audience. It's gonna help you go viral more often, and it's gonna give you more at bats so you can actually find the content that works for you. So many people come to me, they're like, Rob, I'm in 1 to 3 niches, or I'm in 3 or 4 niches. I don't even know what my niche is. The only way that you could solve that is by posting 5 to 6 times a day, trending content. All of your content needs to be modeled off of stuff that has been successful before on TikTok, and that is how you're gonna find your voice on TikTok. That's where you're gonna find what's successful, and the second that something works, you need to keep doing it over and over and over again. That's how people blow up. That's how Charlie, who was doing the Renegade in the beginning, several times blew up on TikTok and really gained that initial momentum. You need to be posting at least 5 to 6 times a day to find your initial momentum. That being said, of those 5 to 6 posts, 1 or 2 of them could be duets, 1 or 2 of them could be stitches, 1 or 2 of them should be like original type content, or even one of them be a repost of your past posts that have done really well. If you know nothing about reposts, I mention it in so many other videos exactly how to do it, so please make sure you check those out. And bonus tip, when it comes to doing duets, it comes to doing stitches, make sure you're doing ones that are trending, or make sure you're doing ones that have already gone viral, because that will increase the odds that your post actually goes viral. Secondly, you need to make sure you're getting on the For You page as much as humanly possible. This means you need to be posting at the right time, and you need to be making the right content. The TikTok algorithm, if I was to sum it up incredibly simply without you watching my 10-minute video on the TikTok algorithm, which goes incredibly in depth and everything, TikTok is just trying to make sure that they have an audience for whatever content you upload, and then they want to expose that content to the audience. If they react well to it in terms of watch time, then they're gonna continue to push it out. Very similar to the YouTube algorithm, except it's way easier to get on the For You page than it is to get suggested on YouTube, and you don't need that many subscribers or any followers to start, because each post on TikTok is judged individually. I see so many people comment on my stuff, they DM me, they say, Rob, my account's dead. Your account is not dead. You either just had some success or haven't had success yet, and are not doing the simple things like modeling your content after successful creators. If you don't know what I mean when I say model your content after successful creators, you need to look at what's trending on TikTok. If you don't know what's trending, get into my Trend Watch program. I'm gonna link out to it in the description below. It's $19.99 a month. I'm going to send you the trends every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern. It's a bargain. You don't have to go looking for the trends. It's gonna be trending sounds, trending hashtags, trending posts, but regardless, if you don't wanna get into that, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to find the trends right now. What you need to do, you need to go into your niche specific hashtags. For example, if you're in the cat niche, type in hashtag cat, look at the top hashtags in there. I want you to go in there, see the top posts, try to recreate those. Also, look at the top post, look at that person's account, go into those. You're gonna find people that have been posting in the cat niche specifically. Some of them are just gonna be random posts that people had that went viral under that hashtag, but the majority of people are actually gonna be in that niche. You need to follow them, you need to study their content, and you need to start to recreate it. I cannot emphasize this enough. More than ever, people are hitting me up. They're saying, Rob, I was successful on Instagram, I was successful on YouTube, I was successful on Facebook. I'm not successful on TikTok. The reason you're not being successful on TikTok is because you're not modeling your content after the trends. The one piece of advice I got in the beginning of this journey from a really big TikTok creator was, Rob, make sure that you hop on the trends and copy the trends. Obviously, I've elaborated on that so much in my content, but he was so right. That is how TikTok works. You guys need to be participating in the trends. Trends are now becoming culture. It is not copying. It is simply participating and raising your hand and telling the TikTok algorithm, hey, I know what you guys want to see. Here it is. And they're going to give you a ton of views. And if you incentivize engagement in your posts, that's going to lead to a ton of followers. In addition to that, you guys need to be incentivizing following in every single post. I'm not saying telling them to follow you. I'm not saying telling them to click the plus sign. You need to give them a specific reason to do that. It's got to be tied in your post. It's got to be a feedback loop. For example, one great way to do that is to ask questions or to say something incredibly relatable and get somebody to click the plus sign if they relate, or click the plus sign to give an answer. Obviously, if you have questions up on the screen and there's 3 or 4, like a quiz or something like that in your content, then what you need to do is make sure that the right answer is them clicking the plus sign. Everything else should be liking, sharing, commenting, and things like that. But you want the right answer, or what you think the most popular answer is going to be that plus sign, so you get a ton of followers from that content. I've seriously seen this be the difference between getting 100 views, 1,000 views, and 10 million views. Simply getting people to click the plus sign after, because what's gonna happen? The TikTok algorithm wants you to get a really high amount of watch time on your posts. So if your post is under 15 seconds long, they want really high watch time, like 75%. If it's over 15 seconds, you could get away with 50 to 60% watch time and still get pushed out a ton on the For You page. But regardless of that, if they see that you're hitting that watch time mark, your content is about something that they have an audience for, and people are following you after they watch your video, well then guess what? Your video is going to explode, it's going to viral, and you're gonna gain so many followers. I've seen so many creators at this point, thousands of creators, literally gain 10,000, 100,000, even 1 million followers overnight just by incentivizing engagement in their posts. If the amount of followers that you have is less than 10% of the amount of likes that you have on TikTok, you are not incentivizing engagement. You are doing a terrible job of doing that. I saw a creator the other day DM me. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna mention your username, but he had like 8 million likes and like 50,000 followers. That guy should literally have over 1 million followers if he was incentivizing engagement in every single post, and it is no different for all of you guys watching this video. So once you're posting enough, you're incentivizing engagement, there are still other subtle things you guys need to be doing right. You need to be using the right hashtags, posting at the right time, and doing a couple other strategies that I'm gonna mention at the end of the video, which, like I said, are incredibly important. So when it comes to the best times to post right now, you guys wanna be posting from 9:50 a.m. to 11 a.m., from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., from 3 to 4:30 p.m., and then again after 7 p.m. Now I know one of those time slots is gonna work way better. I'm not saying that all of those time slots are going to work for your account, but 1 or 2 of them are going to work. And then what you need to do is keep posting content during that. In the past, if you watch my old videos, I would say post 80% of your posts during that time slot. You guys wanna post 100% of them now. The reason being is that TikTok is taking the time that you post in your content more than ever before, because there are way more people on the app. Now, I do also wanna mention that those times to post change all the time. What you guys need to do if it ever strays away, 1, watch my videos, make sure you subscribe. I always release a new best time to post on TikTok video whenever the time changes. In addition to that, you guys need to look at your trending posts, see what time they've been posted. That's gonna be the best time to post on your account for the last 7 to 28 days. In addition to that, you just need to take into consideration consumer trends. For example, if you're trying to reach a 23-year-old college kid and you're posting at 8 a.m. on the weekends, you're not gonna reach them. You know why? Because they're hungover, sitting in their dorm room, sitting in their bed, or whatever the case is. Even if they're not hungover, they stayed up all night playing the new Call of Duty, playing whatever game is popular right now, and they're sleeping, so you're not gonna be able to reach them. So just take into consideration consumer trends. Also take into consideration, TikTok is an incredibly geo-focused app. If you're posting in California, you're gonna push it to people in California before anywhere else, unless you mention something like a specific city or specific state or specific country in your content. So please take that into consideration when you're posting. All the times that I listed before are for your time zone. So when it comes to the best hashtags that you guys need to be using, I recommend 4 strategies. I have a new video dropping on this. It's going to actually be changed from the 4 strategies, so please make sure you guys check that out when it comes out. You guys should watch my old hashtag video anyway, because I think there is a lot to learn there. But simply put, the 4 strategies that I recommend are using no hashtags, using 2 broad hashtags, 2 trending hashtags, 2 trending hashtags, 2 niche specific hashtags, and then 2 broad hashtags, 2 niche specific hashtags. If you don't know what those types of hashtags are, please go watch my hashtag video. It's a 10-minute video. It explains everything you need to know about hashtags on TikTok. But the one thing that you guys are doing really, really wrong, you guys are putting way too much emphasis on what hashtags you're using. If I had a pie chart and I broke down everything that went into consideration when your post was getting pushed on TikTok, hashtags would only make up like 5% of it. The time that you post, the content that you make is actually way more important. important. So the last tip that I have for you guys is you guys need to start creating content. I would start at the basis. If you're not doing a clear trend with a sound that's less than 15 seconds long, all of your posts should be 15 seconds long. Once you master that 15-second slot, move it up to 18 seconds, move it up to 21 seconds, move it up to 24 seconds. Keep adding more and more time on. Try to continue to be able to increase your watch time. I need everybody watching this video in the next month, 2 months to be able to make a 60-second video that could get 50 to 60% watch time at least, because 3-minute videos are going to be coming to TikTok in 2021 and you guys need to be prepared for that. It's going to make it harder, frankly, to get on the For You page if you're not good at increasing your watch time. Now, when it comes to increasing your watch time, there are a couple things that you guys could do. It's going to really increase your watch time. First, there needs to be a payout for the person watching the whole entire video. You need to say something in the beginning of the video which hooks the person in and makes them want to stick around. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened. You need to build in some kind of suspense, some kind of curiosity into your post. And this can be for everything. This could be for the comedy niche. This could be for fashion. This could be for anything. You have to tell them in the first 2 seconds why they need to watch the whole entire video. Think about it. I did it in the YouTube video. I told you guys the most important tip was coming at the end. The reason I did that was to increase the watch time. You guys need to do the same exact thing. Mix it into your content, be it art, be it anything. There needs to be a reaction at the end. There needs to be some kind of psychological payoff that people are waiting around for. And you need to say that in the text on the screen, in the voiceover, or even in the description. You guys need to test those 3 things too, because that's how you hook somebody in and that's how you keep them around. And one of the best ways to know how to do this is to actually study the posts that are being successful in your niche or just on TikTok in general and seeing why they're successful and why they get people to stick around, and then mix that stuff into your content. That being said, if you're still struggling to grow on TikTok, you need to get into my mentorship program. I'm guaranteeing that I'm gonna help you grow on TikTok in 30 days. If you don't grow, I'm gonna give you your money back, no questions asked. You're gonna get a personalized plan, and I'm gonna check in with you every 48 hours and really critique your stuff. I'm gonna tell you, you need to do more of this, you need to do less of that, you need to stop doing that, and I'm gonna call you out when you stray away from the plan, because I am guaranteeing that I can help you grow on TikTok. I want you to hit as many followers as you possibly can. I want you to live your dream life, which I'm gonna imagine if you're watching this video is gonna be you selling more things on social media, you having a larger following, or you becoming an influencer, and I wanna help you do that in my mentorship program. If you're interested in that, go to the link in the description. If not, please watch these videos over here or these videos over here. I really think they're gonna help you out.